In the vibrant city of Philadelphia in 1881, a child named Julian Abele was born into a family with a legacy of resilience and excellence. His father, a Civil War veteran, instilled in him the values of hard work and perseverance. His mother, a skilled milliner, nurtured his creative talents from an early age. Julian's family heritage was rich with prominent black figures. He was related to Reverend Absalom Jones, the first black Episcopal priest and founder of the Free African Society. His parents ensured that all their 11 children had a quality education, attending schools like the Institute for Colored Youth. At 21, he became the first black graduate of the University of Pennsylvania's architecture program in 1902. Then he became chief designer at Horace Trumbauer's firm, designing over 400 buildings, including Duke University's West Campus and the Philadelphia Museum of Art. Despite Abele's pivotal role, he was excluded from grand openings, official photographs, and denied credit in publications even after he became co-head of the firm. Unstoppable, Abele's genius is finally recognized today.